Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView scripts. First, let's understand what they are. Powerful tools for technical analysis. You can easily add them to your charts from the Indicators menu. We'll also cover navigating the Pine script editor, which is where you can view and modify these scripts. This foundational knowledge will help you begin your journey. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into finding and customizing scripts. The public library offers thousands of community-created scripts for various strategies. You can easily adjust a script's settings, like its length or source, to perfectly match your trading style. Understanding these parameters is key to making any script work for you, enhancing your chart analysis. Ready to create your own tools? We'll explore the fundamentals of Pine script, TradingView's programming language. You'll learn basic syntax and functions, enabling you to write a simple moving average indicator from scratch. Testing and debugging your custom script is crucial to ensure it performs exactly as intended. This empowers you to build truly unique analysis tools. Finally, let's look at advanced scripting capabilities, such as creating custom alerts for specific market conditions. You can also share your innovative scripts with the TradingView community, fostering collaboration and learning. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. This community aspect is invaluable for growth and discovering new strategies, taking your analysis to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.